Good day, Ma'am MJ. Today I will present to you my Arduino activity, which is joystick. Here's the code. Here we have a declaration of variables. This one is for the x-axis, which is x pin, and it is connected to digital analog 0. This one is for y-axis. This is connected also in the Arduino, which is digital pin A1 or analog 1, and then this one is for the switch or joystick button is SW pin, and it is also connected to digital pin 2. After that, we have here setup. So we assign the SW pin or the joystick button as input, and then we also have a default value of it using digital write, and then we set its value to high, meaning 1. And then we have here a serial communication, which is start at 9600 baud rate. After that, we have here a void loop. So this one right here is for the x axis. This will read the horizontal movement of the joystick. This one is for the y axis. This is for responsible for reading the vertical movement of the joystick, and then this one is for reading the switch or the button of the joystick if it was clicked or not. And then after that, we have a delay of 500 milliseconds. In the next clip, I will show you the output. As you can see in the serial monitor, the Z has a default value of 1. So if we press it, it goes to 0. And now let's turn it to left side. So as you can see in the x-axis, it shows 0. Then if we turn it to the right side, it goes to 1023. And then if we turn upward, the y-axis becomes 0. And then if we turn downward, the y-axis becomes 1023.